Standing in my own belief, swinging from the willow tree. Sun is shining, the spotlight over me. Bet you I'm the only one to see what's really going on beneath. Feels like starting over until it's over.
Today, I promise to always remember that laughter is life's sweetest creation, and I will never stop laughing with you.
Truth comes back if we want it.
You are everything a man could ask for in a wife. Smart, beautiful, caring, selfless, and most of all, loving. You are my best friend, my lover, my everything.
I will be there to support you and encourage you every step of the way. I promise to take the dog out when it's too early. I vow to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard. I love you.
Annika, I promise to continue to show up and be there for you. I promise to love, to respect, to be honest with you, to trust, and to care for you for better or for worse, in sickness and in health. I cannot wait for all the parts of our future journey together through life as husband and wife. Nadja and Sadat. I love you very much.
Truth comes back when we want it, back where we want it, back where we want it, back if we want it. Truth comes back when we want it. Here's to starting over again. Here's to starting over. Oh, to see without my eyes, the first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried. I built your walls around me. White noise, what an awful sound. Fumbling by Rogue River, feel my feet above the ground. Hand of God, deliver me. Oh, woe, woe is me. The first time that you touched me, oh, will wonders ever cease? Blessed be the mystery of love. Lord, I no longer believe, drowned in living waters, cursed by the love that I receive from my brother's daughter, like Hephaestion who died, Alexander's lover. older, and what difference does it make when this love is over? Shall I sleep within your bed? River of unhappiness, hold your hands upon my head till I breathe my last breath. Oh, woe, woe is me. The last time that you touched me, oh, will wonders ever cease? Blessed be the mystery of love. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh, and they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf. Oh, and they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle